right.
Sunday's the same.
I'm working tomorrow, I'm working Sunday.
You gotta go to the office.
Yeah, I got it. 16 hours. Today, tomorrow, 8.
New project?
Yeah, it's like Saturday, Sunday, I just 12 to 8. Midnight, right in the
And
heart.
you're on salary, right?
Yeah.
Screw you. Sorry.
Exactly. I mean, my Sundays are so crucial, man. Something like that.
We had a project. It's supposed to start tomorrow.
Right.
10 hours. 7 to 7. No, 7 to 5. 7 to 5, all double time. Come in on Monday. It's a holiday for us. For 10 more hours.
Correct.
And they canceled the project. They won't let us start. Everything's a pain in the ass. If you don't have paperwork, because I'm down at World Trade, if you don't have paperwork, they won't even let you start. So they shut them down. You don't need to move it. Keep it on Nick. How many did you do already?
6.
I'll see that. 6? All right, that's good.
One more. All right.
No, because now I'm not watching.